Hi everyone, good evening. Can you introduce yourself in the chat box, please? Very good evening, everyone. Can we have your introductions in the chat box, please? Please introduce yourself in the chat box so that we know about the audience for today. Okay, this is Soumya from AP Trainings. A little introduction about AP Trainings. We provide all IT related technological trainings all over the world, and we also provide soft skill trainings. We have 3 courses: full course, flash course, and masterclass. Masterclass is the one that you are attending today. And we provide trainings throughout the year and have students from USA, India, Europe, and Canada. We have also helped students in getting placed, and we also help in job guidance. In the webinar masterclass, we will be providing the feedback form at the end of the masterclass, and it is mandatory to fill the feedback form to get your e-certificates. So please do fill the feedback form without fail. And we will also conduct polls in between the masterclass, which will have the interview questions. And you can also pop in your doubts in the chat box as and when you get them for us and the trainer to clear your doubts. And now I'm going to explain the agenda for today. Hi Dushyant, hi Abhishek, welcome. Hi Kalanidhi, yeah, hi. Great to see your introductions in the chat. Please keep them coming. Please introduce yourself in the chat box. So right now I'll be explaining the agenda for today. So first 10 minutes will be participant introduction, and we want you to mention whether you're a student or a professional or what background you're from. And 45 minutes will be the webinar content, and 20 minutes for the queries. You can ask any queries related to AWS with the trainer and about our courses. And 5 minutes for students guide, where we will be explaining about the methodology that we follow in AP trainings, and 5 minutes for the offer that we have exclusively for the people who have joined today's webinar, and 5 minutes will be for the queries and feedback. And today we have our trainer Muthu Kumar with us, having 4.5 plus experience as in cloud architect, and he is also certified in Amazon Azure. So over to you, Muthu.
Yeah, hi, thanks, Soumya. Yeah, am I audible to everyone? Hello, am I audible? All right. So myself, Muthu, welcome everyone to AP Trainings. Okay, today we are going to see about cloud fundamentals, and we are going to discuss about the Amazon Web Service, one of the leading public cloud vendor providing the infrastructure as a service. Okay, so I will be sharing my screen. Please let me know once you are able to see my screen. Okay. Everyone able to see my screen? Put it on chat box so we can start the webinar. All right, okay, so we can start it. So today we are going to see about the AWS. So I already told it is the leading public cloud vendor, which is going to provide the infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So why we have to adopt to the cloud model? Okay, so today we are going to discuss about it is going to be a discussion session between you and me, because I've seen many training participants from the various fields, starting from school students, college students, and professionals also opting for the cloud vendor. So it is not a technology; it is a common platform where you can access the various technology. Okay, cloud is not a technology. Cloud is a platform where you can access the various technology like Internet of Things, blockchain, server technology, database technology, networking, and data analytics, machine learning. So these technologies are embedded, as been provided in a stack inside the cloud computing. So today we're going to see about what is meant by AWS, why we need AWS, and what is the advantages and comparison of AWS, what are the features, AWS servers practical explanation, and what are the certifications available in AWS, and future market of AWS. Okay, so and jobs, and we will be having the queries and questions. Okay, let's see one by one. First, we have to see why we need AWS. Okay, so AWS is the on-demand self-service. So on-demand self-service means if you want to provision any resource. Okay, so if you want to provision any resources, starting from compute, storage, VM, if you want to provision any resource, you can have the resource. Okay, resource or technology in place. Guys, 1 second. Okay, so if you want to provision any resources, you can have the on-demand service without any human interaction. So next, AWS is going to provide you the broad network access. So network access in the sense means, so data center. So we call in cloud as a data center, that is called as a region inside the AWS. These data center will be present in many locations. Okay, so from this data center, we are able to access the resource. So broad internet network access means the bandwidth for accessing the resource will be very, very high. Okay, so that is called as a broad network access. Next comes the resource pooling. So resource pooling means multiple customers, okay, multiple customers, multiple things can access the same physical hardware. Okay, so same physical hardware means hardware will be present. From there, many software can be installed, and many resources can be accessed from a similar, okay, similar physical infrastructure. That is called as a resource pooling. Then comes a rapid elasticity. So rapid elasticity means the cloud provisioning, the resource will be elastic. So elastic means we are able to scale up and scale down. Okay, so today we need some 100 GB of storage. Let's take an example. Tomorrow, if you need some 200 or 500 GB of storage, you can scale it up easily. Okay, so today you need a server capacity of some 4 GB RAM and 16 GB 16 GB as a storage, or something like a 4 virtual CPUs. Okay, these component can be scaled up. Okay, scaled up means within a second you can have some 100 GB of RAM. Okay, those provision capacity servers also can be provided. So that is called as a rapid elasticity. So this will make sure your application will have the exactly the capacity need at any point of time, Okay, everything now becomes a digitalized, right? So all the application, everything is online. Okay, before 10 years or before 10 to 15 years, when you access the website, it will be very, very slow. Okay, so I know many of them are access the Facebook before 5 or 6 years. Okay, there is no application for Facebook. We only accessing via the web. Then they have introduced the application. Then the smartphone technology has been introduced. These applications consume the more resources. Okay, so how they are able to provide? So we are using the WhatsApp application, which is a client-side application, I can say. So client-side application. So I will ask one question. If you have anything, you can share it. So what is meant by client-side application? What is the difference between client and server-side application? Any idea? So you can put it on chat, okay? So to everyone. So let's discuss about the cloud computing. What is the difference between client-side and a server-side application? So you are using your web, Facebook, WhatsApp, anything, Instagram or anything. I can say in your mobile phone, that is a client-side application you are using. Then what is meant by server-side application? There are two terminologies involved. Put it on chat. Okay, whatever comes in your mind, let's put it on a chat. Okay, any idea, guys? Please be interactive in the session. Tim Sharma's raised their hands. Guys, please put it on the chat. Okay, so you're not able to unmute yourself, so just type it in chat. What is the client side and server side? All right, so the client side application, which means if you want to access any application, there's a front end application will be saying. Okay, so the client side application is, which means we are accessing your data from the server side. So where is the server side will be located? So server side will be exactly located on the data center. Okay, so there are two sides of application. One is a server side and a client side. So where the client side application is located, your mobile phone, anything, your desktop or anything. But where is the server side application means it will be in the data center. We'll be seeing DC. Okay, DC means a data center where the physical hardware will be provided. From there we can access the resource, that is called as a data center. From there only we are hosting the server side applications. Okay, next, a measured service. Measured service means resource usage or monitored, measured and reported, which means all the resources are monitored and we are measuring based on the utilization. Next, cloud computing definition. So cloud computing definition is given by the model. Okay, it is a convenient on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resource. Okay, which means a network, servers, storage, applications, and services that can be rapidly provisioned and released. Okay, that is a rapidly provision means we can provision the resource whatever your demand arises. Okay, with a minimum effort. Okay, that is called as a cloud. That is called as a cloud computing from National Institute of Standard and Technology. They are just giving the definition to cloud computing. Okay. Next, we have to know about the cloud computing deployment models. Okay, why we need these models? Okay, so cloud computing is not a new term. Okay, it has been industry for 14 years, but why it has been become very hot topic today means they are adopting this technology. Adopting this technology means adopting this platform for their various technology. So now the business 4.0 transformation is going on. Once the 5G enabled devices come, it will be business 5.0 transformation will start. Okay, so we have to know what is the difference between private cloud, public cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. The private cloud is something like a physical hardware or physical infrastructure which is a specific to an organization. Okay, we have the internet connectivity which is only specific to the organization that can be accessed. That is called a private cloud. Then what is a public cloud? The public cloud, which means these technology, data center, I have telling, right? Data center is simple. Okay, you are having your laptop, that is your physical hardware, right? So that is a small data center, I can say. The mobile phone is also a small data center. From there you are accessing your resource. That mobile phone having the 2 GB of RAM, that's it, physical hardware. If it have 2 TB of RAM, let's take an example, 2 TB, 2 GB to 2 TB. Okay, 2 TB of RAM means we can divide this 2 TB into multiples of 2 GB, right? This TB can be divided into 2 GB and it can be virtually provisioned, right? So that physical hardware is converted into a virtual services. Okay, likewise, the data center will be very high. So your schools, your colleges, if you are school and college going students and professionals, you also seeing the data center. There will be one small AC room will be there and servers will be blinking, right? The small servers they will be having that will be blinking. That is called data center. If you see the, just go to the Google and type a Google data center, you will be having some physical hardware. So that is exactly a cloud computing physical infrastructure. Okay, so that is only specific to an organization. Specific to organization means a private cloud. Only one organization can access this data center. So all the organization, let's take TCS, Infosys, anything, Accenture, anything, they have their own data centers. That is called as a private cloud. Public cloud, like Amazon, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, okay, IBM Software. These and all vendors providing their data center to other users also. Other users means not their customers, everyone. It is open to everyone. From the internet, anyone can access anything. That is called as a public cloud. It is available to anyone. Okay, when you combine this private to public or anything, combination of this called as a hybrid. Hybrid means a combination of something. Hybrid variety of rice. They are combining some genes. Okay. Okay. So it is not a native. It is, then we are doing some genome sequencing in science and all. Likewise, hybrid is a combination of private and public cloud. Let's take an example. Public to public cloud also can be a hybrid cloud. It doesn't mean only private to public can be a hybrid. It can be public to public. AWS and Azure we can combine and we can use it. Okay, Microsoft and AWS, both are the vendors. Okay, vendors means they are providing the service. Okay, community clouds. Community means a specific community will be there. Let's take an example. There will be some field like data science, data analytics. Okay, so what they need means they need a high provisioning capacity service for data processing. For that, they will be using community. Okay, those community will be using the high provision hardware. So that is called community clouds. Okay, so cloud computing, three cloud service models. First is an infrastructure as a service, then platform as a service, then software as a service. What is meant by infrastructure as a service means the infrastructure is provided as a service to everyone. So that is called as an IT administrator. Let's take an example as an IT administrator. So infrastructure as a service means up to certain level of access you will be having. So Amazon Web Service, Rackspace, IBM Soft Layer, Windows Azure, Google Cloud Platform, they are providing infrastructure as service. Next comes platform as a service. Okay, in this platform as a service, we'll be having the services called Amazon Web Services. So I will explain what is meant by infrastructure, platform, and SaaS. These and all cloud deployment models. Okay, these and all cloud service models, very very important. You have to understand this, then only you can have the more if you know the basics of this cloud, you can easily learn the higher level of topics. Okay, so next comes the software as a service. Okay, software as a service means example is a Gmail. Okay, you are not doing any development and all in Gmail, just you are consuming as a user. So entire software is given as a service to you, that is called software as a service. Okay, essential characteristics we have seen. Okay, this and all the cloud service models. Okay, so here we can see what is meant by infrastructure as service, platform as service, and software as service. From infrastructure perspective, virtualization, networking, storage, servers, and virtualization. You can see here networking, storage, servers, virtualization, these are all called as infrastructure as service. These and all managed by the vendor means AWS. Up to certain level they will be managing. You have to take care of operating system. Operating system means your OS. Okay, Windows OS or Linux OS. You have to do the antivirus, anti-malware installation, patch update and all. Guys, very very important, please understand this concept. Infrastructure as service, up to certain level the cloud provider will be taking care. Networking, storage, servers, virtualization, entire physical thing they will be taking care. But operating system, middleware, your application, your data should be managed by the customer. Customer means the guy who does the development or else who does the infrastructure support, which means from the operating system you have to take care. That is called infrastructure as service. Next comes a platform as service. In platform as a service, so up to runtime middleware operating system is taken care by vendor. Okay, in top of that you can see the data and application. These two entity are taken or managed by the customer. Okay, this is called customer managed, which means operating system, your antivirus, anti-malware, runtime, middleware, everything will be taken. Just bring your application code, deploy your application code, that's it. You don't worry about your OS, you don't worry about your networking, storage, everything will be provisioned for you. Then comes a software as a service. Entire software is given to you as a service. Service means you are consuming that. Okay, so that is called Gmail. Gmail is the mailing software. It is a mailing software. Okay, now they are using for public use also. You are not paying to Gmail. Many customers are paying to Gmail to use it. Okay, for their customized services. Okay, for domain service and all, they have to pay to Google, and then only they can consume. Now Gmail is consumed by all over the world. All over the users means that is called as software as a service. Guys, any doubt in infrastructure as service, platform as a service? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, please put it on chat. Okay. Guys, I will be launching polls. Okay, so you can try to answer it. Okay. Yes, Amazon Web Services, not a server. Okay. Here comes next question. What is the combination of public-private cloud models used by organization? That is called as an what? Hybrid cloud. Okay, that is called as an hybrid cloud. Here comes the next question. All right. Okay, Gmail is called as a software as a service. Many of them answered correctly. Congrats. Okay, let's see other topics. So what are the benefits? When we are using the cloud computing, there should be a benefits. Here you can say reduce infrastructure cost. Because when you maintain your server room, you have to provide the power supply. You have to provide a cooling system. Okay, in your schools and colleges, there will be a computer room will be there. Entire thing will be centralized AC and power supply should be there. Inverter should be placed. Okay, you have to take care of infrastructure. Any new upgrade of hardware comes in, you have to upgrade the hardware. These and all actually headache for the any users. For that, to reduce the infrastructure cost, you can opt for cloud model. All right. Next, capacity and scalability. Okay, this capacity and scalability means your cloud resource capacity can be scaled up, which means today you need a 2 GB. Within a 1 hour, I need a 800 GB of RAM. Within 1 hour. If you are having 4 GB of laptop, maximum you can upgrade to 16 GB. External RAM you can place it. But suddenly you need some 800 GB of RAM. Okay. So that much capacity within a second or within a minute I need, which means the cloud can provide you. Refresh your aging infrastructure because many customers are using their on-premise servers. Now they are adopting the cloud model. Support new business opportunities. Guys, cloud computing, this Amazon Web Service, entire business 4.0 transformation means NASA, ISRO, everyone were adopting this cloud technologies. If you go to Google and put Amazon cloud services used by NASA, there will be many use cases. Okay, many customers. Inside the cloud computing, you have the satellite launch station also. Okay, what are the hardwares, what are the softwares? Okay, you can have the blockchain technology inside the cloud computing. Okay, I have done one project for blockchain also. I have done the machine learning models. So entire technology is available in cloud stack. Okay, what is your means? You have to understand cloud, how it works, and one by one you have to adapt the technology. Okay, then business continuity and increase collaboration. These and all the cloud computing benefits. Cloud computing security. So everyone will say because cloud computing is managed by some other vendor, it is a public cloud. It is not like secured. It is more secured, we can say, because many customers are having the dilemma and illusion that cloud computing is not secure. It is not like that. Okay, so you have to make it secure. So you have to apply the security best practices. Okay, so you have to provide. So those security best practices, your job. Okay, what are the security best practices? How we can have the resource provisioning, how we can provision the software, how we can deploy the workloads means your application. That's just your job in the market. Rapidly they are paying very high salary. Okay, if you see, very high salary has been paid to this cloud computing market. Okay, once you understand the basic concept, then only you can understand the high level concepts. Okay, so a quick story about Amazon Web Services. This is not needed, but you have to know. Okay. So Amazon, everyone know initially online retailer. Online retailer means they are storing, they are selling everything online. Okay. If you book it in online, you can get the product. Okay. That is online. In 2006, okay, before some 14 or 15 years back, they also have their hardware, right? Physical hardware. They thought that they have more hardware, they are not utilizing that. What they have done means they have outsourced the hardware. Outsource means from Gmail they are providing some 20 GB free to you, right? Google Drive. That is, they're outsourcing their storage for free of cost. Like that, Amazon what done mean what they done for 15 years back means they are provided for cost 20 GB of that Google Drive. Like that storage they have given to the other customers for cost. Like that they have started their journey. Okay, now they are the largest public cloud vendor. Okay, so no upfront cost. Okay, if you use no upfront cost means when you buy your laptop, you are providing some 70,000 or 80,000, right? 70K or 80K. Some 40K you are spending initially, and then you are buying the laptop. There is an initial investment, I can say. There is an initial investment. If your laptop should work, you need a power supply. Okay, maintenance. Laptop maintenance is needed for every 1 hour. Software is needed. Everything update is needed, internet connectivity is needed. These and all the additional cost. This is not called operating cost, because I'm just telling as an example. You have to invest 40,000, then you have to do the operating cost. These and all not needed in cloud computing. If you use the server, if you use server means a laptop, I can say. If you use the server for 1 hour, pay for 1 hour some $0.1, some 70 rupees. I'm just telling as an example, some 2 GB RAM and 8 GB storage. You are using for 1 hour. If you are using for 100 hours, only pay for 100 hours. If you are using for, yeah, so based on your utilization, based on your demand, that has been charged. Okay, that is called no upfront cost, pay as you go model in Amazon. All right. So these and all the service overview in Amazon called as compute, storage, databases. So easy to container service, like say Elastic Beanstalk, Lambda. These and all called as, so compute we have the easy to container service. So Docker containers, these and all how I can say emerging technologies, I can say containers, Beanstalk, and storage we have the Elastic File System. S3 is a storage like a hardware. Okay, you are having your external hard disk, right? Like that, S3 is called as a scalable storage service. EC2 is called as a virtual server. Virtual service means your laptop. Likewise, you can access your laptop from internet. That is called a virtual service. Okay, so database we have RDS. So all the database will be there: Oracle, SQL, Microsoft SQL, MS SQL. So all the database can be accessed via this cloud. That is called database service. And many more services are there. I will just share this PPT to you because I have covered a few things. If you, meanwhile, if you have any question, please put it on chat. I will be able to answer. Yes, I am getting a few questions. Prem Sharma, can you repeat on managed by vendor? Yeah, managed by vendor means up to certain level they will be managing, which means I already told, right? Infrastructure as service, up to networking layer, up to storage layer, they will be managing. Operating system they will be giving. You have to install all the softwares. Okay, that is called taken care by customers. But up to operating system, they will be providing you the access. The laptop will be given, operating system will be given. You have to install your patches. You have to update your operating system. You have to install your application. You have to take care of your data security and all. When you go in system maintenance, just go to your application. Just deploy your application. Just code it, deploy, which means application is developed and deployed. That's it. That is called platform as service. Managed by vendor means AWS will be taking care. Everything will be taken care by AWS. So we create VPC subnet, internet gateway, so on. Under which service does this come under? This VPC, virtual private networking, subnet, and internet gateway, and all infrastructure as a service. Okay. If guys, if you have any question, please put it on chat. Then I can able to explain you. Okay. Please put it to everyone. Don't send me alone in privately. Okay, let's others also understand. I will be putting some those things. Okay, all the above is the answer. Okay, answer the next question. In cloud model, up to virtualization layer is maintained by guys. It is not software as a service, because software service everything will be maintained. Virtualization, up to virtualization layer they are maintaining, means it is called as an infrastructure as a service. Okay, up to application layer, up to middleware layer, if you are using AWS for 1 hour, is we can, I got one question, 1 second. This is called infrastructure as service, this answer. The next question. Can we use the service of AWS outside the platform? No, outside the platform you can't able to use it. Sir, we can use AWS for 1 hour. Is we can delete the data? Yes. After 1 hour, if you need it, you can delete the data. If you doesn't need it, you can delete the data. Okay. So it is a magic quadrant result for AWS. Okay, as of 2020, Amazon has been positioned as a leader. Leader means it is it has having the most of the market cap. Market cap means it has a wider operation and leading vendor. So job market in Amazon is very high. Okay, so very important certification available in Amazon. Who can do what type of certifications? How can they prepare the certifications? Very important. Okay, guys, are you able to see my screen? Yes, right. You are able to see my screen, right? Okay. So here you can see the foundational certificate from Amazon. Okay. So what is this foundational certificate means? Like cloud practitioner. Okay. Practitioner means if you want to, if you doesn't know anything about a foundational certificate. Next level, associate. Associate like UG degree, undergraduate degree. Professional is like a PG degree in cloud. So in associate certification, you can do about solution architect. Solution architect means you can architect what are the designs, okay, how the designing document works, how the cloud realized, okay, that is called solution architect. If you want to do a developer, if you want to develop sysops administrator, okay, so there will be infrastructure guy like cloud administrator, database administrator, storage administrator. So these kind of guys can do about the sysops, system plus operations. Okay, devops means development plus operations. Okay, so there's a difference between sysops and devops, because many of you had heard about devops. There's a separate technology. There's a huge market jobs for sysops also, system administrator and operation support also you have to provide. Next come professional. I already told, right? You have done your BE. If you want to do your ME, you can do it. Means more knowledge you can gain. That also comes under solution architect, DevOps, professional. Without doing this, you can't do this. First, you have to do associate. Directly, you can do associate, but if you're school going students, just do the foundational course. After your college, we can take care of associate and professional. Guys, if you want to do some specialty certification, you have the networking certifications available. big data is available. Only you study about networking. Only here you see study about security. Cyber security space jobs for another 10 years, 10 to 15 years are very, very high, because everything was led by the cyber war. So cyber security space has been emerging rapidly, I can say. Got it? So these and all certifications are available. Guys, I will be sharing the certification at the end of the session. You can ask your AP trainings administrators, will be sharing to you all the recordings and everything. Get touch with them, okay? So if we have, then we can see the polling questions. Still we have few questions, okay? Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, Compute Cloud service is called as what component? Server storage database. You can Google and you can answer also, okay? EC2. You only have to study it. Everything is available online. So we are guiding you how the cloud technology, we are guiding and posting you towards the technology. Okay. It is called server component, okay? What does RDS stand for? So RDS stand for a database service, relational database service, okay? What is a virtual private cloud, VPC? What component? EC2 is a server component, RDS is a database component. Obviously, virtual private cloud will be a networking component. Okay, guys, this and all names which has been given to the Amazon. If you study the technology like AWS, okay, cloud technology in Azure, Microsoft Azure, that is another vendor. They call that as VNet. If you go to Google Cloud, that is called virtual network. That's it. The name also have to study namings. Okay. Yeah. First you study about the technology and then you go for namings, I can say. Okay. Don't study like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud and all. All the clouds and models are same. Just study the technology. Just study the networking. Just study the storage. What is used there. S3 is a dash component. VPC is a networking component. RDS is a database component. Obviously, S3 is a storage component. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'm done. Actually, guys, I plan to do one demo. Due to some technical glitch, I'm not able to run it. I'm not able to access it. Okay, we'll be sharing the recorded demo to you. Okay, how the server and all created from AP trainings. You can see that. I'm not able to show you lively. Next webinar we'll be AWS webinar will be having. Next webinar we'll trying to do it lively, okay? Because I've lost the demo part. Yeah, thanks everyone for joining. Yeah, Soumya, over to you. You can take the control.
Yeah, Muthu, thanks for this masterclass, and we'll move on to the next session. Before we move on, I'll play a small video feedback of one of our students.
Hi all, I'm Sivagami from US.
Sorry, I just share my screen.
Hi all, I'm Sivagami from US. I'm a student. I have learned Blue Prism course from AP trainings to restart my career. They trained us very well and the trainer is excellent. After the course completion, I felt like 100% worth for that money I paid. I recommend you to choose AP trainings for your better future. Thank you very much. Bye.
So this is one of our feedbacks. And now I'll be explaining about the student guide, the methodology that we follow in AP trainings. So we in AP trainings call it as 5 forces. First one is simple learning methodology. Second one, student recall sessions. And third one, creative explanation. Fourth, fingertip materials. And fifth, we have additional bonuses if you're a part of our students community. So simple teaching methodology, we will have 6 sessions in one class, which will span for 75 minutes. The first session will be for 10 minutes where you will revise yesterday's topic, and if you have any doubts, you will have time for doubt clearance. And second session will be for 20 minutes and that will cover the today's topic. And session 3 will be for 15 minutes and you will be given time to practice. It's going to be full hands-on session, and theoretically it will be very less of a learning. It will be full of practical learning that you will be doing. We will cover today's topic and practice that particular topic for the day. And session 4 will be for 15 minutes. Again, you will cover some few more topics for that day. And session 5 will be for 10 minutes and you will be again given time for practice, and you can verify your output with the trainer after you complete them. And session 6 will be for 5 minutes and you will recall the entire session that was taken, and you can clear your doubts with the trainer. So this is like for 75 minutes for one class. And learning pyramid, if you go to YouTube, you go to other platforms, you watch videos, you won't be sure of which video to follow and which video to give more importance to. But if you at the same time practice and learn and you have someone to guide you as well, the learning is more efficient and you will have someone to ask doubts parallelly. So that is one thing that you can expect from our training. And we call it as creative explanation. So we will be giving one-to-one training through Zoom or Skype, and it will be a personal training and collab learning. You will be given access to our community where you can talk to peers and see how they are moving forward in their career path and how they are using this training to increase their career. So something like that. You have a community, and we also use OneNotes where we will put all the notes for that particular day in a folder, and you can access it anytime, anywhere. I mean, we will give you the access and you can open it and revise before you go for an interview or any other revision that you want to do about a particular topic that we covered during the training. You can use our OneNotes. And we also use something called mind map. So mind map, depending on the training sessions that we take, the trainer will be able to identify what are your strengths and weaknesses, and he will draw a map saying like this is where you need to concentrate more, this is you are strong in this. So you will be able to identify your strength and weakness during the training. So this is one method that we follow for efficient learning. And more information that we would give you is class notes with pictures, that is OneNote that I told you about. And we will also give you diagrammatic flow explanations. If you are someone who is learning through pictures, that will be useful. And we will also give all the training in a notebook, a single digital notebook as your reference for future use. And this is fingertip materials. All materials will be available in the cloud drive. So all the video recordings for the day and class notes, documents that we provide, and you will also be installing the softwares needed because it's going to be hands-on. We will also provide you the software and tell you how to install them in your local computer, PC, and it's a must to have PC. And we will also be telling you how you can install them. And we have something additional for our students, which you cannot find it in other platforms. We would give you free interview sessions, any number of interview sessions. Before you go for an interview and you just want to have a mock interview with our trainer, we will arrange it for you, and you can take a trial of the interview and see where you are lacking, and you can ask trainer for tips as to how you should answer all those questions. We will be happy to help, and we will also be providing you resume preparation help. What has to go into your resume to get attention from the recruiter, so we will also be guiding you on that. And we will also be providing lifelong community support. So not just during this course you will have support from us. Even after finishing the course, you have any doubt regarding this technology or any other technology and you want to go through the course again, we will help you again to catch up with the lost flow of the knowledge that you had with this technology. And we will also be providing professional certification guidance. So the trainer showed you like 3 rows of certification for different types of grades, right? So we will also be helping you clear those certifications, and people in our community have cleared it with more than 85 percentile in all the certifications. So we will guide you how you should apply and how you should appear for the certification exams and how to clear it. And in the community, we also have something called job links. We will be providing you all the vacancies that are in the companies, and we will tell you to apply for each one of them. And we will also be providing you LinkedIn recommendation. Once you become a student and you complete our training, we will be providing LinkedIn recommendation, recommending you for companies and internship opportunities or any other roles that you would want us to recommend you for. So that is one thing from our students guide. And this is another feedback from our student. So we have lots of feedbacks. Due to time constraint, we are showing very less feedbacks to you. And this is from one of our US student who said like she felt 100% worth for the money she paid. She also got placed with a work US visa. So after getting trained from us. And this is another working professional review. So he had taken SQL course and he had got a very good placement with a very good package. So this is another one feedback, and we also have many feedback with us. If you are interested, we would share it with you. And this is non-IT experienced student, so totally without any prior IT experience. She came for learning something in IT and she got placed in Texas. So this is another one review. And right now, if there are any questions regarding anything, you can please put them in the chat for us to clear your doubts as well as we go along the presentation. And now we will be going to the APT trainings offer that we have for you. So this offer is only for people who have attended today's webinar, and this will not apply for other people. So this is something we would want to show you. We have 2 training models, full course and flash course. And full course will be through Skype or Zoom. It will be for 40 hours and it will be for 75 minutes per day. So this is full course, and this is not just going to be for 40 hours. If you're depending on your learning ability, and if you want to know more about this, we can extend it. Not necessarily it has to be 40 hours and you are done with the course. So we will make sure at the end of the course you are very clear with those technology, and you're able to execute it as a demo, as a hands-on experience, and we will also help you in clearing the certifications. And in Flash course, it is also going to be through Skype or Zoom, but it is going to be for 10 hours. 10 hours, it will cover the basics and a little bit of an advance, and it will also be hands-on training. And once you are okay with it, you can go for the full course. We have that option as well. But these are the two courses that we have. Okay, right now I want you all to just guess the market price of AWS. Now, put them in the chat box, please. Just make rough guesses of how much they charge for AWS one-to-one training with hands-on experience. Please put them in the chat box. Okay, I'm getting responses as 20K, 25, yeah. Some are saying 10K. Some more responses, please. Okay, so it's like 18 to 20K mostly. The responses are. So in the market, if you see, the full course is for 17K to 25K, and flash course is for 10K to 15K with minimum of 20 hours of hands-on experience. But here we have 40 plus hours of hands-on experience, and for flash course it's 10 plus hours, and depending on your learning ability, we might extend a bit as well. But we are not going to give at this price. Can you all guess the price that AP training would give AWS course for? Put them in the chat box, please. Yeah, please respond in the chat box. Okay, I'm getting 15K, 18K, 5,000, 10K. Okay. So AP trainings, full course at 17K and flash course at 5,000. No, we are not going to give the training at this price. So we have your crazy offer that will be for next 1 week. So from today, next 1 week, next Saturday, we have this offer running for AWS alone at full course at 15K, 15,000. And flash course at 1,500 only. So this offer is for next 1 week, where the full course will be for 15K, which is 40 plus hours, and flash course will be for 1,500, which will be for 10 plus hours. So if you are planning to join the course in a week's time, this will be the course cost for you. Note the full course at 15K and flash course at 1,500 if it's going to be for next 1 week. And we have something called 15-minute discount. So 15 minutes discount, that is the time after which we tell the course cost. After that 15 minutes from there, you will have your full course at 12,000, and flash course at 1000 only. So this is your 15-minute discount. So full course will be for 12,000 and flash course will be for 1000 only. So both the courses will have a hands-on experience, 40 plus hours and 10 plus hours, and you will have full guidance, as we said, for certifications, for job guidance, and for any other queries that you have related to this technology. If you're a student or a professional, we can curate the syllabus accordingly. And full course will be for 12K and flash course will be for 1000 only. So your next 15 minutes offer will be for full course at 12K and flash course at 1000 only. Please note that please make your payments and send us your screenshot so that we can add you to the official group and we can start the training for you. And make the best use of this training, because this is going to be completely one-on-one training with the trainer. You will be under full guidance and you will be certified at the end of the course. We will help you get certified in the courses according to your needs. The trainer will guide you which certification you will have to take, and depending on that we will help you with the certification clearance, and we will also be helping you with job guidance. We have a very big community where we have HRs, managers who come for vacancies and say, I'm looking for someone. Background noise, is it? Sorry. Okay. Can you hear me now? Okay, 1 minute. Is it audible now? Yeah. Okay. So the full course will be for 12K and flash course will be for 1000 only. And I'm getting questions here. Yes, you will get certification for this masterclass, and if you join full course and flash course as well, you will be getting certificates for the same, and you will also be officially getting certified in that particular technology. And we will provide the feedback link in a minute or so. Yes, we also provide soft skills for English, spoken English, and interview skills. We also provide it. You can connect with us on WhatsApp for the same or our Instagram handle. Please do follow our social media pages for more updates. We have so many courses coming in the future as well. And soft skills also we do provide. And for AWS, your 15-minute discount is going to be full course at 12,000 only and flash course at 1,000 only. So this is your 15 minutes offer. Please make the payment and send us the screenshot of the same to us to start your courses. So as I said, we have some special bonuses for our students. Free interview session anytime. Once you get into our community, you can, for any jobs that you apply in the future, we will have free interview session. And we will also help you in resume preparation And we will also help you clear certification, not just for this course, even in the future. If you want to clear certifications when your company asks you to, we will guide you for the same. And if you're a student, we will guide you of the fundamental certification that is needed to get a very good package in the companies and IT related startups. So we will also provide lifelong community support. If you have any queries, you can put them in the chat, or you can comment there. We will have our experts answer that for you. So these are the special bonuses that we have. And your special advantages, you can clear queries anytime with the trainer. So we will be providing you contact of the trainer, and we will create a WhatsApp group separately for you. So if you have any queries or any doubts, you can connect with the trainer in that particular group. And training at your preferred time. So this is something very important. Your learning should happen when you are fully focused, and it should not be a stressful experience for you. So we will make sure you have the training at your preferred time, early in the mornings or in the evenings or in the night or in the afternoons. So depending on your time, we will make sure the trainer is also mutually okay with the timings and arrange the training for you. So this is something that you can be sure of. And we will also be providing recorded videos. So for all the classes that you take, we will record the videos and give you for future references. And job links, once you get into our community, we will add you to the group, and you can keep applying for jobs as and when they come. And we will also guide you as to how you should prepare for that particular interview and clear it. So this is the salary prediction. For a fresher, the salary starts with 3.5 in general. But if you get certified in one technology, like certified in Azure, you will have a salary package of 5 in the starting if you're a fresher. So if you're an experienced person and you're looking for a jump in the salary, or jump to a next company, we will be helping you clear all those certifications, and we will also be giving you hands-on training and a demo project that you would have at the end of the course, which that you have worked during the course duration. You can show that to the recruiter as well as a part of your project, and you can also show your certifications and get your salary hiked up to 12 if you are 6 years experience or more than that as well. We also help in professional certifications, and we will guide you as to how you should apply and clear those certifications. So one small step can change your life. I think the people, the audience who have joined today have already taken that step. Please make use of this opportunity, because nowhere you will find one-to-one training with full guidance. And you saw the trainer, right? He was very patiently explaining you things. Since it's like a master class, we had very constrained timeline. So he didn't have much time to clear your queries. But if it is a classroom and you have one-to-one training, the learning is going to be really fantastic. And we will help you in doing a demo project. We will also help you in creating clearing certifications, and build your resume in a way where the recruiter will be like, okay, I need to talk to this candidate to know further. And we will also help you as to how you should appear for the interview and clear the questions. And the trainer will be there to help you as well. So as said, the cost for full course will be 12K, and cost for flash course will be 1,000 only. So this is next 15 minutes offer that we have for you. Please make the pay. I'll share the feedback form link, and make the payment and send us the screenshot, so that we will add you to the official group, and we'll make sure we grow together as good IT professionals, and we will also guide you in all other domains related to IT. So I'll just share you the link for payment. So this is the link for payment, and any other queries regarding soft skill or any other technologies, you can connect with us on WhatsApp. So if you are in the official group, you can ping any one of the admins in the group and get in contact with us for more information on the courses. So AWS, it will be 12K for full course, 40 plus hours, and 1000 for flash course, which is 10 plus hours. Any other doubts related to our training or any other doubts related to technology, you can connect with us on WhatsApp. And please do follow our social media handles. We have so many offers coming for you, and we will also be posting about the benefits of joining our community. We haven't started posting it, but we will soon post our students' feedback. It's all ready. We'll be posting it. And this is the feedback form. Please do fill the feedback form to get your e-certificates. Please fill the feedback form. And also, once you make the payment, please send us the screenshot on our WhatsApp. Any other questions or any other questions? Please put them in the chat box. Do you guys have any other questions? Please make the best use of this training, because it's going to be one-to-one training, and you can any day clear all your doubts, and you can execute it and see your demo project live at the end of the course, 40 hours course or 10 plus hours course. Yes, if you have a career gap, yes, it's possible to get a job. All that you have to do is put more effort and get this training done. You will have a demo project to show, and you will also be getting certified later. So with all those materials that you worked on and all those demos that you have tried during the training, you can show it as a project in your resume that I've done, use this, I've gone through this training during my career gap, and you can apply for jobs. There's no issue on that. We have people who have got placed with career gaps and also with no experience in IT. They have taken training, really put in a lot of hard work to learn that technology, and they've got really good packages as well. So it is not that if you have a career gap, there will be a problem in getting a job. No, you can get your job. We will guide you also as to how you should apply for jobs and how your resume should look. So we will guide you on that as well, Jeffin. So any other questions? I think I should say the trainer is very experienced and he is very patient. So you wouldn't find someone as our trainer where they put in a lot of effort to make their students understand the concepts well, and they also guide not just during the course, even after they go to their job and they have any doubts as to how they should go up in career. They come back to the trainer and ask the trainer what they have to do, and the trainer will be happy to help them. And we as a training in AP trainings, we support that kind of a mindset where people are looking for growth in their career for a long we are looking for a long-term relationship with our students and in their career path as well. We want to help them get really good packages and good IT knowledge, because right now the competition is very high, and you should be really updated with the trends and technology. So once you come into our community and you have access to our materials, we will guide you what technologies or what softwares you need to get updated with, and what are the things that you should know when you go in for an interview after 2-3 years to another company. So we will guide you entirely on everything from interview to getting a good job and package and getting certified as well. Not just during the course, even after the course, if you are willing to get certified in something related to your domain, and you can get back to us and we will be more than happy to help you. So if you are a student, this is the right time to get this training online and try applying for internships, or try applying for contract based jobs in companies to turn them into a full-time job. You can make a very good use of this opportunity that we have for you, and we will also help you with how to apply for internships and job opportunities that are there in the market. So if you really perform well, we will also be having a small mock exam, and we will also refer, if you are good at this technology, we would refer you to companies that have referrals. So the thing is, you'll have to put in your effort and get trained, get your demo project in a very good shape. We will help you till you get things right. We will be there to help you, and then get certified in that particular technology and start applying for jobs or start applying for better career opportunities that are there for you. Any other questions? And please, after making the payment, please send the screenshot to us. We can start the training as soon as tomorrow or Monday. The batches will start every Monday. So you can make the payment, and please let us know so that we can start the batches, and we will connect you with the trainer, and depending on your availability, we can have the training started for you. So this is like the best opportunity that you can make use of. We also help them after courses if they are not okay with the syllabus or okay with the concepts. We give them another opportunity to sit in another batch and learn the same concept if they have forgotten it or something like that. So we help totally till you get all the concepts right. And once you're finished with the course, we will also be updating you with other things that you will have to start learning to get along with the crowd in IT. So that is also there. Any other questions, or we can close the session for today? Any other questions? Yeah, I can see someone has raised hands. Can you please put your query in the chat box, please? Jeba Singh. Yeah. Can you ask your question in the chat box, please? Okay, any other questions, or we can wind the session up for today? Okay, guys, it was a great evening. I'm very happy to see people spending their time to learn something and acquire knowledge. And please do follow our Instagram handle to know more of the free master classes that we have, the workshops that we will be having shortly. So please follow us. And also AWS has a very good opportunity in the market right now, and everything is moving online and everything is moving to cloud-based technology. So please make the best use of this time, being in a very critical situation where COVID is also there, and it's very hard to find jobs in this. You'll have to really have something to show the recruiter and say, this is what I am worth of to have this job. Please make use of this. We will be there to guide you. We will make sure you have something useful and knowledgeable during the course and training as well. So happy evening, and hoping to see you all in the courses. Please ping us the screenshot once you've made the payment. The full course will be for 12K and flash course for 1,000 only. And both the courses, we are going to make sure we give you all the support that we have promised you on. You can reach us out on our WhatsApp numbers anytime once you have joined the courses. So you'll have all the help from our team. So please make the best use of this. And if you are planning to join the full course, you can make a token payment of 1,000 for today and rest in the coming week. So if you cannot pay it fully, you can block your seat for 1,000 and then pay the rest during the week. And for flash course, it's going to be 1,000, which is for 10 hours. Yeah, thank you so much. Any other questions, or we can wind up the session now? Okay, thanks, Leo. Yeah, okay. Thanks, guys. Looking forward to having you in our community. Let's grow together. Let's make a very good community with good packages in IT and good professions and roles in IT. So make the best use. Hoping to see you all in our network. Certificate you will get within a week from today. So once you fill the feedback form, you will get within a week. By next Saturday, you should have your certificates in your mails, on your mails. And please do check spam folders if you don't find it within a week. Yeah, any other questions? Sorry, which link are you asking about? Abhilash, which link are you asking about? Please make a note of the feedback form link. We won't be sharing it with anyone anywhere else. So this is the only place we will be sharing the feedback form. So please make a note of it and fill it. Yeah. Okay then, guys, thanks for a great evening. Keep learning and keep yourself updated with the trends in IT as well. Please join our community if you are in a mindset of growth and great career in the future. Yeah, thanks. Bye. We'll wind up the session for today. Thank you, everyone. You can connect with us on WhatsApp. You can connect any of the admins in the AWS Masterclass group or Instagram handle, which is AP Trainings. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.